you are looking to transform your courtyard, backyard or patio with some timeless and classic natural designs, then Travertine Pavers may be perfect choice for you. And we will look at some frequently asked questions about Travertine Pavers, which will give you a firm understanding on a material and will help you to decide if this natural stone will work for you or not. So stay tuned. The most common question we get asked is, what is Travertine? Travertine is a calcite-based natural stone which is formed beneath hot springs over millions of years. Travertine is formed beneath geothermally heated groundwater. The heated water then shoots up through the stone, creating the pits and character you see on the surface of the stone. They are available in a variety of colours, but the main popular colours that are used in the Australian market are light cream and beige tones, classic medium cinnamonish tones, brown walnut colour called noche, and finally silver grey travertine. With a range of benefits, Travertine Pavers are relatively cost-effective natural stone. Travertine Pavers can cost from $45 per square metre to $98 a square metre, and it all depends on the stone's quality and colour. Silver travertine is much more expensive than the classic colours like your beige and cream tones, as there are not many quarries who produce this silver in comparison to some of its counterparts. Another great question we get asked: does Travertine Pavers stain? Any natural stone can stain even if they have been sealed. Anything acidic can penetrate through the sealer and stain your travertine. Unfortunately, there is no bulletproof alternative with this. Unless you go with the travertine look porcelain pavers, then you will never have permanent stains. Question number 5 is, should travertine pavers be sealed? It is highly recommended to seal travertine. When liquid is spilt on stone surface that has a degree of water absorption, a stain can result almost instantly as the reaction time to clean is short to zero. Sealing travertine surface significantly reduces the degree of water absorption, increasing the reaction time to clean and remove these contaminants before the stain can occur. The best or premium sealers have the longest reaction time measured in hours, protecting surfaces from the widest range of contaminants. Do travertine pavers get hot? That's the 6th question. Travertine, being from calcite family, it has an element that prevents the stone from absorbing heat and allows them to reflect heat. This means they don't get hot. Next question, is travertine slippery when wet? Your ordinary tumbled travertine pavers can get slippery when wet and are not recommended to use around the pool. The pool area is under constant water stress, and the last thing you want is an accident happening around the pool. We have done a wet pendulum test which resulted in P3 slip rating, which is same as your indoor mat tiles. Second grade travertine are more porous, have more holes, and they absorb more water, which can make the travertine less slippery. Can you lay travertine pavers on sand? Well, first grade high density travertine pavers can be laid on the sand base for foot traffic areas. The pavers are required to be minimum of 30 millimeters of thick. All natural stone pavers have hairline fractures, which are the weak points of the stone paver. Therefore, there is a possibility that they can crack at some point if they have been laid on the soft substrate like a river sand. By keeping the pavers 30 millimeters thick or more, it reduces the chances of cracking drastically. If cost isn't an issue, it is recommended to lay the pavers on the sand cement bed rather than a sand bed, as this will also allow you to grout the gaps in between the pavers. Otherwise, you will need to swipe sand in between the pavers, which potentially heavy rain can wash it away. The last question is 9th question, how to grout travertine pavers. Some people prefer not to grout travertine pavers. They like to leave it as natural as it gets. But the problem with that is it will collect dirt in the cavities, and you will not be able to completely clean them off. High pressure hosing will clean the pavers to some degree, but it won't clean the dirt and debris off completely. The natural holes will also attract mold and mildew. It is recommended to grout not only the paver joints but entire paver to fill all holes with the proper fine polymer-based grout to assist this ease of cleaning and maintenance. That's all for now. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any questions, please comment below. And alternatively, visit our showroom to see our displays and we will guide you with the right advice that is perfectly tailored for you. See you soon.